I don't think he likes those lights.
I think he does like the lights.
He wants to eat them. Come here. I'm going to eat you.
That monkey's hilarious. You want to put your feet on the ground? There. I don't think it's doing any harm. Oh, look at him bouncing in there. He's doing that all by himself. Are you getting that?
Yeah.
Yes, you're brilliant. You're brilliant. Yes. God bless you. God bless you. Hey, why was that funny, you crazy people? That's neat. Oh. Your monkeys. There's your monkey. This thing I like. Yeah.
Get me out of this thing.